Hello and welcome to the playtest of It Works Electronics Repair Simulator. Early test build of the game, so essentially a demo. Let's get straight into the game. Welcome to your new workplace. It's a modest garage built on credit, which from today is your first workshop. It doesn't look impressive, but this is where you start building your own electronic repair business. Customers don't know you yet, and the installments won't pay themselves. Everything depends on how well you handle your first jobs. Before you start working, you need to clean the garage. There's a lot of trash on the floor that only gets in the way. Get rid of it to prepare a space for repairs. Sure thing. So 2 trash bags, 2 cans, 2 bottles. Sure. Good job. The garage is clean and ready for the first jobs. Time to turn on the computer and check what's waiting in the mailbox. Over here. Email. This app lets you read messages from clients, shops, system notifications, job offers, and sometimes even spam. You can view, accept, and decline tasks here. Check it often to keep up to date with new jobs. Inbox John Kowalski. Accept the job. But I want to read the job first now. New workshop? Nice. My phone went speechless. Hi, I saw the sign they just opened up in the neighborhood. I figured I'd give you a shot and see if you know your stuff. I have a problem with my phone. It suddenly stopped making any sounds. The speaker is dead silent. I can't hear music or ringtones. Could you look inside and see what got fried? I hope it's a minor issue and you won't charge me millions right at the start. Good luck with your new business and let me know when my device is ready. Cheers, your first and hopefully regular customer. Regular customer? Is that not weird? You hope your stuff breaks. You've learned how to check your email. New jobs will arrive here. Check it regularly. Log out. Courier is on its way. Yeah? No way. Thanks. On the left side of the screen is your backpack, and on the right side of the container. On the right side is a container. You can move items by dragging them or clicking the right mouse button to automatically transfer to the other side. Right. Escape the exit inventory. Interact. Put the trash in the bin. Put the fries in the bag. Put it on the bench. To repair this phone, you will need to buy specific tools. Different devices and components require the use of different tools for repairs. Buy stuff on the computer. Oh, I'm stuck to the desk. How do I leave? H. Shop. In the shop app, you purchase equipment such as furniture and decorations, repair tools, and electronic components. Buy a soldering iron, a spudger, and a voltmeter. Sure. Is my friend gonna come back? Hello there. Thanks. Pick up, order, and unpack the items. Put the trash away. Was it tab? Can I pick that back up? No, that's just the bit. I want to pick the whole thing up. Bitch. Now that you have all the necessary tools, it's time to start the repair. Focus, because repairs are not always easy. The client mentioned in the email something is wrong with the audio, so you need to look into that. Let's start by testing the sound. Q and E. C to enable mouse. The sound is indeed not working. You need to remove the screen and look inside the phone. The spudger will be useful for this. Sure. Pick up the yellow spudger. Use the spudger to detach the phone screen by applying it to its edges. Pick that shit up, put it in my inventory. Give me the voltmeter. Check the solder points. Pass. Pin out. In the bottom left corner you can see the data gathered by the probe. V for voltage, signal status, pass or fail, and pin direction in and out. The value from the out pin, which goes from the PMIC to the capacitor and then to the audio processor, are correct. Pass. Everything is fine here. Audio processor? Where's the audio processor? Oh, here. Okay, yeah, makes sense. What about here? Pass. What about here? Fail. Pin out. The in had a pass status, but the out pin shows a fail and V0. This means that the component is broken and doesn't conduct electricity, so it needs to be replaced. To safely unsolder the broken capacitor, you need to press disconnect it from the power supply. The phone's battery. You will need a blue spudger. Blue spudger. Bloop. Pick up soldering iron, hover over and click. Pick up capacitor. Current capacitor is useless now, so you can throw it in the trash and order a new one. You'll also need screen glue to reattach the phone's screen, so buy that as well. Okay. I don't know why I'm pressing shift, there's no sprint. Shop, electronic parts, capacitors, the red one, miscellaneous, screen adhesive, buy. We need a name for the man. The woman robot. Is a courier, so maybe a C name. It's orange. How about Clementine the courier? That's right, that's good, right? It's orange and is a woman. Sure. New capacitor, new blue. Put the shit away. Let's repair the phone. Take your new C2 capacitor and put it in the slot. Bloop. Soldering iron. On the in pin. Then on the out pin. Also, I don't need solder. Press to reconnect the battery. Pick up the voltmeter. Test it. Pass 3.8. In the bottom left corner you can see power values are now correct, which means the issue should be resolved. It's time to temporarily attach the screen to test the sound. Okay. Take the phone screen out of your backpack and attach to the phone using a left click. Sound test. After pressing the play button again, the sound works properly. The phone is fixed. Now, you need to detach the screen one last time, apply a layer of screen glue, and then attach the screen permanently. Sure. Put a Oh, not that one. B. Equip screen glue. And finally, equip the screen. H to leave bench. The phone is fixed. Now it's time to ship the delivery. You need an order package to send the repair items safely. Go to computer, go to shop, go to delivery, order package, check out, close the app, log out. Order from Clementine will arrive soon. Hello there. You got more stuff, have you? Thank you. It seems like once you know what device it is, you should just get all the stuff first. Right? Can I put this here? No valid order. Yeah, I know. I simply want to put it down. Approach the computer and click left click. Double after I get rid of the trash. What's a workshop admin? This is an app where you manage your workflow. Here you can view detailed information about your current orders, review your finances and track your progress. Open the orders panel. Open your current order. Prepare to send. Click the X. Click the X. Go to the delivery box. What if I get this one? No, not allowed. And left click it to add the shipping label. Press OK. John Kowalski. Finish by putting the phone in it. Pick it up and put it there. $217. Great job. The robot will collect your package and deliver it to the customer. You just earned your first money. Good luck with future repairs. Accept repair orders, find the damaged component and replace it with a working one. The fault can be anywhere in the circuit, so analyze the signal carefully and look for the true cause of the problem. Then, test the device and send it back to the customer to receive payment. Every successful repair is another step forward. Remember to disconnect the power source before replacing a component. If the device is working correctly, all components pass the signal along. When a component is damaged, the signal does not pass through. A lack of signal does not mean that specific element is at fault. The damage may be further back in the path. Check the voltage closer to the power source. Sure. From Sean Murphy. A doctor. A surgeon, if you know. Hi, I need your help. My phone started doing weird things. Some functions will work fine, while others completely ignore me. I can't rely on it anymore. Could you open it up, figure out what's broken, and replace it? Sure. And before I order any parts or glue or what have you, let's wait for our order to be delivered. Hello, Clementine. Goodbye. It is another phone. At least I'm not timed, as far as I can tell. Let's see. Oh shit. Positive. Antenna result negative. The antenna needs to be replaced. And you go further in. Give me all this guy. Where's the antenna? Power, camera, camera data, memory, sim, Wi-Fi was fine, audio is fine, cam data, FBI, FB1, use. What is the antenna? Ah, this one. 0 fail, but is it further back? Fail, pass. This one might be the fail, the capacitor here. I need to get my blue spudge, disconnect first, solder, green one. Take that shit out and grab it. We need a green capacitor. I also need screen glue. I have an email from Marla Silver. We'll read that when we need to do a new order. Hello, Clem. Thanks, Clem. Okay. Component in. Solder on. Reconnect the power. Give me this. Do you have power? Give me that. But don't pick up the whole thing. I want this thing. Okay, antenna's working fine. Nothing looks broken anywhere else. Yeah. Put the screen back on now. Not with glue though, just so I can test it. Positive. Okay, now we put the glue on. Boom. Repaired. So I need to go here. The Sean Murphy, prepare to send. Close. Or log out. Sean Murphy. Put the phone in. Take this bitch. Put her there for Clem. Right. Maria Silva. Hey, I'm going on vacation next week, but my phone decided to break down right now. It turns on, but some hardware components are definitely failing. I need a fully working device for my trip. Please find the issue and fix it. Sure. Can do. Oh, I can name my shop, can't I? Electronic. Electronic. Sonic. Raiden repairs. That'll do. Clem delivered my stuff while I was waiting. A new phone. No sound. Wi-Fi's fine. Antenna's fine. So just sound for now. Let's see, multimeter. Sound is here. Okay, sound's going in, so it's got power. Sound's not working though. Which means something is broken. The speaker maybe? Can that be the case? Power? Power. Bluetooth was working, right? Yeah. Antenna was working, yeah. Just zap everything to see what's working. Could it be the FBI? Audio com, maybe hiss. Aha. What about the jack? Interesting. So, speaker jack. And potentially the audio unit, but speaker jack for sure. Oh no, this component. This one. Gotcha. Spudger. Take this bitch out first. And replace it. It's the Master 2. And some adhesive. I was working from the wrong way up. I'm going to work from the battery down along the trace rather than the other way. Getting the hang of it slowly. This one in. Zap. Zap. Power. 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 Okay, I think we're all good. Yeah. So now we put the screen shit on. No, we don't. The screen on regular first. Antenna good. Wi-Fi good. And a mix sound. Now we put the screen on. Now that we know it works. Okay. Pick that up. Put it away. And grab this to put it away in the bin. Workshop orders. Maria Silva. Send. Log out. Done. Thank you for playing. What you have just seen is a fragment of a larger whole I was still working on. Your impression and feedback have a real impact on the development of the game. If you can, please take a moment to fill out a short survey. Your opinion truly helps. Well, that's the end of the playtest, I guess. There's the survey link to go to help them out. And a wishlist link, as you would know. But that is It Works Electronics Repair Simulator Prologue. Not even prologue, is it? It's just a playtest. Either way, looks interesting. I think some things need to be adjusted for more usability, just quality of life stuff. But otherwise, it seems alright. Yeah. But if you like it, wishlist it. Playtest is available for some people to request, so give it a go.